Welcome friends, this is yet another tutorial in the series of HTML5. So today we will learn about HTML5 web storage. Web storage is a better local storage than cookies. Web storage is much more secure and faster. The data isn't included with every server request. So gradually it decreases the server cost. The data is stored in key value pairs, and the web page can only access data stored by itself, hence providing better security. It is basically comprised of two objects. First is local storage. It stores data with no expiration date, so it is a persistent storage. The second one is session storage. It stores data for one session. In this example, we will create a local storage object and then retrieve its value. Here we are clicking the button and it remembers number of clicks. So here is the code. First of all, let us have a look at the button. It fires click counter function on click event. Then we have a division with an ID result. When you click the button, the output is shown here. So on clicking the button, click counter function is called. This is the click counter function. In the body of the function, we first check if local storage object is supported. If it is not supported, then we instantly show the message that it doesn't support local storage. Then if it supports local storage, then we check if local storage.clickCount object exists. So if it exists, we convert it to the number. We must remember that everything is stored as a string, so we need to convert it either using parse integer or parse float, etc. Then converting it into a number, we add 1 onto the local storage. If it does not exist, then we set the value of local storage.clickCount is equal to 1. Then we show the result. So now we need to preview the script into the browser. So when we preview the script, it will look like this. So this is the script when we preview it in an HTML5 compliant browser. So we need to click here. It will show the number of clicks. Again, if we click it, it will show an increment here. One thing to note that even if we close the browser, the local storage will still persist. So it was all about HTML5 web storage. Thank you.